While working on a DaVinci Resolve project, I was looking for sound effects. They are available with YouTube's audio library as well, as some of the editors come with built-in sound effects, but no sound effects for DaVinci Resolve. They had announced a free sound library during version 15. Since then, everybody is waiting. Finally, they have released DaVinci Resolve Fairlight Audio Library 1.0 on 6th March 2020. Click on Edit tab in the bottom and then Sound Library tab. It says Download DaVinci Resolve's free sound library with a download button. This is a hyperlink to a web page. Click on the download button to open the web page. This opens the Sports Center page for Blackmagic design. There are three columns: latest downloads, latest sport notes, and latest news. Scroll down to see latest DaVinci Resolve Studio and DaVinci Resolve's Fairlight Audio Library 1.0 released on 6 March 2020. Separate downloads are available for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. I click for Windows, fill the form, and download shall start. Download is started with a file size of 921 MB. Download is complete. Open the zip file and click on the executable file inside. Installer is started. Click next, and this is the path where sound library is going to install. Click next and accept the license. Click next. Installation will use 1.5 GB of disk space. Click next and show details. Install is complete. Click next and finish. Now open DaVinci Resolve and open a project. Click Sound Library tab, and now we have a different windows than before. This is the search bar. Filter by drop down should be set to all fields. In the search bar, type static, 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 and there you go. You can see all 515 sound effects by DaVinci Resolve in the list. Select a sound from the list and hit play to hear it. Let's do it for multiple clips. Awesome. All 515 sound clips are free to use in any of your project. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.